I built an interactive tool that tells you exactly what to plant every month for your climate. One-time payment of $12.99, no subscription, you own it forever, and you can share it with anyone. Links in the description and pinned in the comments. Now, here's what's actually killing your tomatoes this week. Mistake 1, ignoring the hornworm. It's easy to miss, up to 4 inches long, same green as your leaves, and it can strip a plant overnight. Check the undersides of your leaves right now, today. Look for dark droppings on the leaves below where it's feeding, and chewed edges on the leaflets. Mistake 2, inconsistent watering. Wide swings between bone-dry and soaked soil block calcium uptake. That's what causes blossom end rot, those black sunken spots on the bottom of your fruit. Water deep and consistent, not whenever you remember. A soaker hose or drip line on a timer fixes this better than hand watering ever will because it removes the guesswork. Mistake 3, no afternoon shade. Direct sun on ripening fruit in July heat causes sun scalding, yellow patches that turn white and papery. A simple shade cloth in the hottest part of the day fixes this. 30 to 40% shade cloth from about noon to 4 p.m. is enough to protect the fruit without blocking the light your plant needs to keep producing. Catch these 3 now and you'll save your harvest. Tools linked below. One-time buy, use it every month all year. Drop your zone in the comments.